going on, y'all? Today, welcome to the video. I'm gonna show y'all a few bar exercises I highly recommend you should do for muscle growth and muscle maturity. First exercise, we got a wide grip pull-up. Now all of these exercises, they're gonna target the back as a whole, but the different grips and different variations is gonna target something and put more emphasis on something else. So with these wide grip pull-ups, you're strictly working that back, no forearm or bicep action is involved, strictly back and rear delts. Here's how you doing. I'm finna give y'all a couple. Here we go. Outside shoulder width and pull. Chin don't have to go under the bar. Some of y'all like to go over. You don't have to. Just stretch, squeeze. Just like that. Second one I'm gonna show y'all, it's a close grip chin up. Now these chin ups, like I said, is gonna work out your back as a whole. See that back? It's gonna get you that big back, but you're working out your biceps and your forearms. Y'all want big arms? Try this. Here we go. I'm gonna show y'all. Now with these, preferably, you wanna try to get your chin over the bar. Hence the name, chin ups. Just like that. Pull, stretch, pull, stretch, pull, stretch, up. Oh, mention with those chin ups, make sure they close grip, target the biceps, and you know it's gonna target the no, keep it going, the trapezius muscles. All of this right here, the mid back, your trapezius muscles, get that nice back. I'm gonna show y'all some more. Here we go. Same thing. Give them some good angles on the back. Here we go. Stretch. Squeeze. So if you're a beginner and you can't do pull-ups, I'm gonna show y'all this exercise right here. It's a horizontal row. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna pinch the shoulder blades together like this. And what makes this easier is you have your feet to support you. You gotta use your butt, your lower back to stabilize your body. So you're gonna keep your feet out, pinch them shoulder blades, and just pull. The higher you are, the closer your feet are, straight up and down, the lower the intensity is. But place your feet out. Basically, the longer you get, the more horizontal you get, the harder it is. Here we go. Give them some. Give them some angles over here. Here we go. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna stretch, pinch them shoulder blades like this, and just pull, pull. Keep them shoulder blades pinched. And what this is gonna do is get your body used to pulling motions, feeling stuff in your back if you're a beginner. Next exercise, we got some body weight dips. All of these exercises are calisthenic movements. I forgot to mention body weight exercises for you beginners that don't know what that means. A lot more. That don't know what that means, I gotta speak up. So, got some body weight dips right here that's gonna target the triceps and the chest just a little. Now I will say, the more bent over you are, the more chest is gonna be involved. Now the more vertical you are, the more your triceps are gonna get involved. Here we go, finna give y'all a couple, show y'all how it's done. Now if you have a dip machine at the gym, use a dip machine. Don't forget, remember, the more bent over you are, the more the chest is gonna be involved. The more vertical you are, more tricep emphasis. Here we go. Bent over, like that. Look at that chest. Stretched, squeezed, stretched, squeezed. Bring that camera over here, man. Can't keep giving away all my secrets. Last one, big secret. We got a towel. I bet y'all was wondering, man, why this dude got a towel? The whole entire video. Why this dude got a towel? It's for this. Okay, so what you do is, throw this towel over the bar like this. And then this is really gonna get your grip strength and your bicep strength up the bar. Cloud's gotta hurry, but grip this towel like this. Over here showing my back, forearms. We can show my forearms up to them. Go ahead and show the back, the biceps. Get that towel right there. These are super hard. One more. They getting there. They might not look that big to y'all, but them slabs of meat getting there. What that look like? Turkey leg? Yeah, turkey leg arms. You want them? Not the meaty kind, the muscular kind. You want them turkey leg forearms? Get on this one right here. Oh, dang. That's gonna build that grip strength up. You need grip strength every exercise you're doing that involves hands, some with your arms, back, your push days. Grip strength is very important. Start working on it. Get out some towels, wrap them around the bar, get to pulling, work on your grip strength. I guarantee it's gonna pay off. Going? It's going. Them lats, boy. I look like an action figure, huh? Please stop, bro. I want to thank y'all for watching this video if you got this far. Thank you for all my constant supporters. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.